On these rainy days, there is nothing like a hot meal to warm your soul. This is a traditional, hearty recipe that could fill an entire regiment. It is not the official magro con tomate recipe, but it's the one we make at home. In fact, like most Spanish dishes, there are hundreds of original versions because every grandma had her own ways of doing things. Now I will shut up for a bite and let the video do the talking.